Today, I'm going to show you how to design a beautiful Instagram feed using Canva. A well-curated feed is essential for building your brand and keeping your followers engaged. And with Canva, you don't need to be a professional designer to make it look stunning. First, open Canva in your browser and type Instagram feeds in the search bar. You'll see a wide range of templates specifically designed for Instagram layouts. Browse through them and pick one that matches your personal style or brand aesthetic. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template to open the Canva editor. Here you can change colors, fonts, images, and layout to make the feed truly your own. Don't forget to use the highlight tool to emphasize key posts or messages and preview your feed frequently to see how all the posts work together as a cohesive whole. Experiment with different visuals, captions, and design elements to ensure your feed stands out and represents your brand or personality accurately. Finally, when everything looks perfect, download your design or share it directly to Instagram. Canva makes it easy to create a polished, professional-looking feed without any complicated tools or software. With a bit of creativity and experimentation, you can craft a feed that not only looks amazing, but also connects with your audience. Happy design and